Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I know I said a few months ago that this was like my last empties videos for a while, but you guys, you know what? If there's one thing I love filming, it's empties videos because I am so satisfied whenever I finish a product that I'm like, ooh, I need to talk about that. Whether I loved it, whether I hated it, I just feel like I need to tell you guys about it and we need to discuss my trash. I've accumulated quite the amount of stuff, you guys, and I actually have a bunch of perfume empties, but I did get a few comments on my perfume collection videos from last summer where some people were asking for full dedicated videos to just perfume empties. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with that because I'm on the verge of finishing a few other ones. So I was like, let me kind of like save the perfumes for their own dedicated video. I have a ton of fun things in here that I have gone through that I really want to talk to you guys about. So if you're interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and let's get into all of my trash. I want to start off with my favorite empty, you guys. This is a body wash from the brand Cycler. If you guys have not heard of them, they are viral all over TikTok. Everybody talks about them. This is their body wash in the scent Bergamot Bond. And you guys, let me tell you one thing. Oh my God, first of all, the way that this smells, I need to restock on this ASAP. This smells incredible. I am not kidding when I say when you use this body wash, your entire bathroom, your entire first floor, whatever, will literally smell like this body wash. It is so incredible. And not only does it smell amazing, the consistency of it is unlike any body wash I have ever tried in my entire life. Describe it as a silky, luxurious, oil-infused body wash that gently cleanses and nourishes the skin. That could not be more accurate because this is literally like oil in a body wash, and as you're using it, you just feel like your body is just being soaked in oil. You feel amazing. Your skin is nice and soft. You smell incredible. So yeah, this has a hefty price tag on it. You get 16.5 fluid ounces and it's $30 or $35, but you guys, I am telling you, first of all, this lasted me for like 6 months. Let's just start there. Second of all, it smells absolutely incredible. This packaging is nice and sturdy. Like, it's just, everything about this is fabulous. So will I be restocking on this? Yes, I actually have one other of their body washes in storage because I am patiently waiting for my house to be finished, like being renovated. I can use it in my brand new bathroom. I am just so excited. So that one I'm keeping in storage. But yeah, would I restock on this? 1010% because this body wash, you guys, is truthfully unreal. So moving on, I actually just finished this yesterday and I had already bought a backup of it because I knew I was running out. This is the Fenty Skin Hydrovisor. You guys, if you have been watching me for a while, then you know that I absolutely love this moisturizer. It has SPF 30 in it. It is the only thing that I use pretty much every single day to prep my skin for makeup. I'm not a big believer in primers. It's just me, my personal preference. I don't really necessarily think you need them. And this, you guys, I feel like does the job. Nice and hydrating. It really preps your skin nice and good for makeup. And yeah, I literally cannot say enough good things about it. I have my restock ready to go. Like, I restock on this. Like, once I feel it getting light, I'm like, all right, we need to buy you ASAP because this, I swear to you guys, my makeup looks like shit if I don't use this to prep. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend this. Just ran out of this last week. This is the Living Proof Heat Styling Spray with heat protection up to 450 degrees. I just did a Ulta haul over on TikTok and I had just restocked on this, so I was explaining it in that video. But I feel like ever since incorporating this before I style my hair, whenever I go and get my hair cut, my hair girl is never like, oh, your hair is dead. Like, it used to literally be like, your hair is dead. I need to take off more than you wanted. And they would always break my heart because I worked so hard on growing out my hair. Ever since incorporating this about a year ago, whenever I go, she's never like, oh my God, your hair is like super damaged. She never says that anymore. Like, obviously I still have some split ends, so she will cut it, but not as drastically as I used to. So whenever I heat style my hair, I put any kind of heat on it, whether it's with a Dyson, with a curling wand, whatever, I always spray this on my dry hair and then I will go in and style it. It's just amazing and I really do feel like it's made all the difference in my ends especially. So yeah, if you're not using a heat protectant and every time you go get your hair cut, your hair girl wants to always have to cut off more than you want, try incorporating a heat protectant like this. I swear to you, it is amazing. Proof, you and I need to talk because in every single video I talk about some form of empty, whether it's a texture spray, whether it's one of these like Living Proof. If you're watching, you're probably not, but we need to talk because I love your products. This is the dry shampoo. This says it actually cleans hair and eliminates sweat and oil. And I can definitely say that that is true. I love this, and this I would use like on occasion because it is very expensive. I think this is like a $35 dry shampoo, I'm not trying to spend that all the time. Like, would I restock on this? 1000%. Am I restocking on it right now? No, because I'm kind of on the journey where I wash my hair like either every day or every other day. That's also why I feel like my hair is growing a lot better, because I'm really starting to prioritize like taking care of my scalp and keeping it clean most of the time. So yeah, do I think this is good? Yes. If you're somebody that like rides for dry shampoo and really wants something that's going to really, really clean your hair without making it feel too gritty, then yeah, this from Living Proof, I think you would absolutely love. Speaking with dry shampoos, of course, I need to talk about EMPTIES. I've been using this for years. I now buy the dark hair version of this because clearly I have dark roots, and I really don't love a white casting shampoo. Even though this does give a white cast in Living Proof, it's not hard to rub out. The EMPTIES one, if you buy the white cast one, I feel like you're never getting rid of that white cast if you have darker hair. But yeah, this you guys, I absolutely love. I actually used it today. I love this because it gives my hair a little bit of volume. So if I feel like my hair is a little too clean, I will take this and kind of just spray a little bit in my roots just to kind of give myself like a little zhuzh, a little volume. I love it. I always restock on it. I feel like I need it on deck at all times. The EMPTIES one, I always restock on it because it's like $12 or $13 at Ulta. The Living Proof, I will get there one day. Today is just not that day. Another staple in my skincare routine, this is the Caudalie Grape Water. I have probably gone through like 300 bottles of these because I use this morning and night. Like literally, I already had my restock ready to go like a month ago because I just love this so much. I've been using it for about 5 years now, and I swear by this. If you are somebody that wakes up in the morning and you're puffy, or you just need like a good pick-me-up, like so tired, this, you guys, immediately wakes me up. I spray it on my face. It's nice and cooling. It's refreshing. So by spraying your skin with water before you go in with skincare, it's really going to help absorb your skincare. Think of your skin like a sponge. So when the sponge is not wet, it's not going to absorb anything. When the sponge is wet, that's when it absorbs like the soap and all of that. So think of your skin the same way. I love this. I don't care that it's expensive, that it's $20 for water. Will I continue to repurchase this? Yes, time and time and time again. Talk about a product that I don't think I will be repurchasing. This is the Garnier Erase It All Makeup Cleansing Balm. Now, did I finish the entire thing? Yes, because is it a bad product? No. Do I think there's better cleansing balm or cleansing oil options out there? Yes. So this, I believe, was like $6, maybe closer to 10. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't think it's groundbreaking. I don't think it's anything that like hasn't been done before. Is it good? Sure. Like, will it break down your makeup? Not really. Like, I usually go in with Bioderma before I go in with like a makeup balm or anything. So no matter what, I always use Bioderma first. But this, I feel like if I was just using it on its own, it wouldn't be able to break down any of my makeup. It's good. It's just me. I just think that there's better out there. I don't think you should be bothered with this. Like the Verse one is good. The Prequel Cleansing Oil, oh my God, is so freaking good. But this, you guys, it was okay. The product that I'm like, okay, like you were cute, you were good, but I don't know if I'll be repurchasing you. This is the Mario Badescu hypochlorous acid spray. So what a hypochloric acid spray, oh my God, that's such a tongue twister. Hypochlorous, whatever, you guys, I'm done saying the word. Okay, this, I did like it. I don't think it's anything that's crazy. It is certified by the National Eczema Association, but in my personal opinion, I love the Prequel one. I need to restock on that one like ASAP. That one is my favorite hypochloric acid spray. That one, then the Tower 28, then this one. I don't think it was bad. Like clearly I finished the whole thing. I think it did a good job. But I do feel like the Prequel one does a little bit of a better job in my opinion. So this, I think it's okay. I don't think I'll be repurchasing it. There have been some amazing products from Mario Badescu that I've recently discovered over the last year that I am obsessed with. And I don't know why the brand gets so much hate because they do have some really good products. But this, it's good. It's just, I like the Prequel one better. Since we were talking about depuffing with my holy grail Caudalie Grape Water, let's talk about my favorite under eye patches. These are the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort under eye patches. You guys, I'm going to insert a picture for you because I've said it a million times. I go to the gym at 5 a.m. I'm crazy. I wake up, I'm tired, I'm cranky, I'm puffy. The only things that help me are the Caudalie Grape Water and these under eye patches. I will put these on right before I leave to go to the gym, and by the time I get to the gym, I'm like, all right, I can row, I can run, I can lift some weights. Like this, you guys, is my version of a Celsius. I don't do any pre-workout. I don't do any of those things, any energy drinks. Me personally, I don't believe in them. I feel like your body has natural energy. You don't necessarily need those to like wake you up and work out. This I just use because my eyes burn in the morning. Like literally I wake up and my eyes are on fire. I'm puffy, I'm tired, and I feel like by the time I get to the gym, I am ready to conquer the workout. So these are a non-negotiable. I always am restocking on these. Like I go through about 3 of these a month. Yeah, these 10 out of 10. If you're somebody like me that gets puffy and is tired and your eyes burn, yeah, you're gonna want to pick those up. Two deodorants to talk about from two totally different brands. So we have one from Hume, one from Fleur. So the one from Hume I really, really like. This is their scent Amber Woods. I actually just finished it last week. This is really, really good. I liked it a lot. I did wear it when I was in Florida back in November and I went to Universal, and in my opinion, I didn't really have that much odor. It's an aluminum-free, all-natural deodorant, so that is why I do love it. I don't necessarily think if you're somebody that like sweats a lot that this is gonna do a good job at protecting you. Like, there were days that I would be really sweaty and like I would wear this and then I'd be like, oh, like, I don't necessarily stink, but I'm definitely sweating through it. Like, it's not an antiperspirant. It's not something that, like, I stink during, but, like, if you're a sweaty girl and you're, like, wearing, like, a tight, like, t-shirt, you know how that sometimes does it to us, then, yeah, this may not be for you. But if you're somebody that doesn't sweat a lot and just wants an all-natural deodorant, this was amazing. Like I said, it doesn't prevent the sweat, but I definitely think it does a good job at protecting the odor. So would I repurchase this? Yes, I actually have another one that I just opened the other day, and yeah, I love it. We have Fleur Vanilla Skin, you guys. I literally used this till I couldn't use it anymore. Like, you can tell that it's just falling apart. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. The way that I like to use the Fleur deodorants is for the gym. Let me explain it to you, because these do a great job at protecting your odor, but for whatever reason, when I use other deodorants at the gym, I have some type of weird allergic reaction to them. Like, if I'm like rowing or like lifting weights, something with the friction in my underarms, I don't know what it is, but something about it really irritates me. Like last summer, I will not insert pictures, but I literally looked like I had third-degree burns. I don't know what deodorant I used. I don't know what happened, but I went to the gym. I was doing like some friction workouts and my underarms were literally raw. Like, they were, I've never seen underarms like this. I don't know what I did, what deodorant it was, and then I just like stopped wearing deodorant for a little bit. Then I went back, and when I was going to the gym, I started using the ones from Fleur. These are nice and hydrating and soothing underneath my arms. So if you're somebody that's prone to irritation, but you still want to, you don't know really what to do, try checking these out from Fleur. Like, this is the scent Vanilla Skin. I'm currently using and loving the scent Father Figure. Like, oh my god, I love them both. The one thing I will say about these two, I know I'm talking really fast, is that when I'm at the gym, I will randomly get whiffs of them. So like right now I'm using Father Figure, or whenever I go, without fail, I will smell it throughout my workout. And I personally love that. And then by the time I leave the workout, like I'll do like a little sniffy test. Yeah, I don't really stink. So yeah, they do a great job at protecting from odor, especially if you're going to like a really intense workout, and they don't irritate my underarms. So for that reason, I think they're so worth it. I think they're like 20 bucks, and I know that's pricey, but you guys, they're really good. My favorite lash glue of life is the Duo Active Lash Glue, specifically this one in the black shade, because I usually always have like a black wing on, so whenever I do that, I always like to put lashes on, and I don't really like the clear lash glues, only because I feel like they don't do a great job at like drying down. Like, yeah, they dry down clear supposedly, but I feel like you always kind of see like that white line from the glue. So this one, I never have that issue. I absolutely love it, and it's the active one, so it's made to like really withstand like a lot. Like, I literally wore this lash glue on the beach in Aruba, and if you guys know Aruba, then you know that it's super, super windy, and yeah, my lashes, they stayed in place all night. So love it. Other products from Hume, this is their dry body deodorant in the scent Vanilla Days, and you guys, dry body oil. Did I say deodorant? Let's restart that. This is their dry body oil in the scent Vanilla Days, and you guys, clearly I love this because I used every last bit of this. You guys, oh my god, this scent of vanilla is so unique. It's vanilla, but it has like a hint of chai to it. It's unreal. The other deodorant that I have from them is actually in this scent, and I am so happy about it. But yeah, would I repurchase this? 1010%. It's amazing. It's unlike any other body oil that I really have ever tried. It's kind of like a hybrid between like a body oil and a body lotion. It's like they meshed together and had a baby and made this, because it's not super thick and oily, but it's also nice and hydrating. So it gives you that slip of an oil, but the hydration of a moisturizer, but it doesn't have that like annoying transfer of a body oil. It's weird. It's amazing. I love it. 10 out of 10 recommends it, especially in this scent Vanilla Days. Oh my god, if you're a vanilla girl, yes. We're down to the last two products. So this is another product from Garnier. This is their Frizz Tamer. You guys, I've spoke about this a million times. I get crazy baby hairs right over here, and it's such a pain in the ass to kind of hide them. I was using brow gel, but then I was getting like little white flakies in my hair. Who wants those little white flakies in their hair? Not me. So I started using this, and I fell absolutely in love with it. When I mean there is nothing, like, you guys, Look at the hair that is just stuck to this because I have used and abused this. Where's my other one? I think it's, oh, it's literally right here. Like clearly the writing is like coming off of my old one. Like you can just tell that I used this up. So yeah, I had to restock on this. I think it's like $8. So if you're somebody that struggles with baby hairs over here or even baby hairs here, or even just like you do a slick back and you have hair flying everywhere, this, you guys, is absolutely amazing. I recommend it to literally everybody. I don't know where I would be without this. If I'm going out for the night, I take this with me in my purse because sometimes my baby hairs get a little crazy in the wind, and I always need this on deck to make sure that I can correct them. The last product is actually from Coco Kind. This is their discoloration serum. So this, you guys, is pretty much like a brightening serum for any type of dark spots you have. So it says how to use, gently massage or pat into skin, onto clean skin. So this is mainly to help even out your skin tone and help to reduce redness. And I also have a lot of like dark spots from like old acne scars, as I feel like made a huge difference in any discoloration that I had going on. I absolutely love this. Like I'm so out of it. I can't even get like the little bit out. Like it looks like there's a lot more in there than there actually is. I promise you, it's empty. And yeah, I already started using my new one because I love this, and the brand Coco Kind. If you guys have not tried anything from them, they are an amazing affordable skincare brand. You can get them at Ulta. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm actually looking to see if I can find it. Their under eye gel. Oh my god. Oh, this is it. This is their Peptide Fine Eye Gel. You guys, I absolutely love this for prepping my under eyes before makeup. It's amazing, this brand. I have quickly fallen in love with this. If I didn't already have another one, I would be repurchasing it for sure. No joke, been sitting here for like the last like 4 hours, like filming TikToks, filming YouTube videos. Like I am exhausted, you guys. To complete this video, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. There was so many hits in here and only a few misses, but you guys, I love these videos because I love giving you guys like my in-depth thoughts about some things. Like some things I think are worth it, some things I think aren't. Like this body wash, for example, even though it's $35, I 1000% think it's worth it. It's such an experience and it lasts such a long time. So yeah, these are amazing. That's all I have for you guys in today's video. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products and what you guys think of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.